What's up, everyone? It's Joe Kaufman over here with Social Media Masters, and make sure you subscribe and follow our page for some up-to-date, some new tips. So, got asked recently on Facebook if it's possible to post something and not post it to everybody, and it is. So you can exclude certain people. So you go up here, and you're like, why would you want to do this? Well, I mean, I can tell you one circumstance. Right now, I'm selling a truck, and I don't necessarily. It's my dad's truck that was handed down to me, so a little bitterness between. So a few family members, but I do have an extra truck, and they don't need a truck, and they don't want it, which is kind of weird. But anyway, I'm gonna post a thing on my Facebook page about selling my truck, and I don't need my sisters to see it or whatever. So selling my truck, and then you go in here, so you can post whatever you want in your thing, and you're gonna have this is where your audience, blah blah blah. You got public, friends. And then friends accept. So click here. And then you'll go in here and then just put whoever you don't want to see that post, and then you can post it. And yeah, so if you ever get in a spot, if you're watching this video, apparently you're in a spot where you want to post something to your Facebook page, but don't want specific people to see it, and you can do that with Facebook. It's pretty cool, and that's how you do it. Hope everyone has a great day. Like, subscribe, comment. We love you guys. The more engagement I see in this, the more stuff I'll put out. Have a great day. Take care.